All right, everyone, here's your exams. And remember, no cheating.
Thank you, Professor.
This exam is so difficult. I didn't study. Yeah, I don't know what to do. It's so hard.
Hey, stop talking and focus on your exam.
Okay, Professor.
Ooh, I know what to do. I'm going to use a cheat sheet for this exam. Huh? What's Mia doing? Mia!
What, Professor?
Oh, how dare you cheat in my class?
I'm not cheating, Professor. I'm just,
So, what is this? This is a cheat sheet. How dare you cheat in my class?
You see, Professor,
Ooh, cheat sheet.
You know this test is coming from us. Why didn't you study?
I didn't have time.
Ooh, I'm gonna get an A on this exam.
If you cheat one more time, you'll get kicked out of my class.
Professor, I'm finished.
What? Really? Oh, you're a good student, Stacy.
Thank you, Professor.
Mia, you should learn to be a good student like Stacy.
Oh, what a lucky day.
Why am I so unlucky?
Baking soda, vinegar, and my food coloring.
I'm for sure gonna get an A on this project.
Project? Mia, what are you talking about?
Are you serious, Stacy? Today is the final due date for our science project.
Oh my gosh, I totally forgot. What am I gonna do?
Oh, good luck. I gotta go set up. Better hurry up so I'm not late. Oh no! What am I gonna do? I'm so unlucky.
Oh, what am I gonna do? I don't want to fail the class.
I don't know what to do with this project. I don't need it anymore.
Wait, Kevin. What is that? Why do you want to throw it away?
This is an old science project. I'm just gonna throw it away.
Whoa, science project? How does it work? Can you show me?
It's a tornado in a bottle. Check it out. Just give it a second. Give it a second.
Whoa, that's a cool project. Hey, instead of throwing it away, give it to me.
No problem. Here.
Thank you.
Bye.
Oh, hopefully with this project I'll get an A.
Professor, I had my project done, but I tripped and fell.
Oh, I don't want to hear excuses. Go back to your seat. Next.
Professor?
What did you bring today, Stacy?
I bring the tornado bottle. Watch.
See, look how cool it is. Ooh, that's really cool, Stacy. I'll give you an A.
Oh, yes, I'm so lucky today.
What? Really? This is so unfair. I'm so unlucky.
Mia, Stacy, because you got an F, you have to clean up the whole classroom.
What? That's unfair.
This is an unlucky day.
Stop complaining and start cleaning, or I'll give you another F.
Okay. Let's split the room. I'll clean that side, you clean this side.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay. I hate this chalkboard. It's so dirty.
Huh? Mia, what's going on? Do you need help with the chalkboard?
Yeah, it's so dirty over here. I can't stop coughing.
Oh, let me take care of this. Here, you clean up the shelf.
Thank you.
No problem.
Ow! Ow, my foot! I'm so unlucky!
Oh, what's going on?
I dropped the books and I hurt my foot!
Don't worry. You can clean up Professor's desk, and I can take care of the shelves.
Thank you, Stacy.
No problem. Be careful.
Huh? What is that? Ooh. Wow, these are chips! I'm so lucky! Mia, do you want these chips?
Oh, wow! These are my favorite chips! Where did you get them?
I just found it on the bookshelf. I'm so lucky!
Oh, thanks so much for the chips. I'm gonna save them till I'm done cleaning, though.
Okay. Huh? Mia!
What? Professor, I'm cleaning like you said!
You're cleaning like I said? Then what is that in your hand?
Stacy gave them to me. I was saving them until I was done cleaning.
Yeah, it's true, Professor.
I don't believe you. Stacy, stop defending her. And Mia, you're going to detention. I don't want to hear it. Go.
Why am I so unlucky? I wish I could be lucky like Stacy.
Remember, students, there are no puppets allowed in my class.
Oh yeah, Professor, we don't have any puppets.
Okay, now open your books to page 165 and we'll start reading. So, economic system.
Hey, Stacy.
Huh? What happened, Mia?
Do you want to play puppet?
Yeah, but Professor's so strict.
Yeah, let me show you. I hid the puppet in my book. Look.
Ooh, You're so clever. But I hid my puppet in my keychain.
We're geniuses! Let's play! Huh? What's that sound? Who's playing puppet in my class?
Not me!
So then what are you guys hiding?
Nothing.
Move your hands. Huh? Mia! You destroyed a book to sneak your puppet?
Sorry, Professor. I didn't mean to do it. I just love puppets.
No excuses. What about you?
I don't have puppets. See, my book is fine.
Then what is this?
Huh, Professor? This isn't a puppet. It's a keychain. I can't play with something this small.
That is just a keychain. You're okay, Stacy. But you, Mia, you have to go to detention.
But Professor, that's so unfair. She's sneaking a
No
puppet.
excuses. Go now.
Fine. What an unlucky day.
That was close. I'm so lucky.
Hey, stop right there. You can't come to the party.
What? I'm wearing a nice dress, jewelry, and makeup. Why can't I come in?
You can't come like this. This is a scary costume party.
I spent half the day planning this outfit. Really?
Hey, Mia. Sorry I'm late.
Oh my gosh, Stacy, what happened to you?
Oh, I'm so unlucky. It's raining outside. Now everything is wet and I can't come into the party.
Hold on. Who said you can't come to the party? You have the best costume ever. Come on.
What? I can come into the party with this outfit? Really?
Yeah, how come she can't get in?
Let's go, Stacy.
Okay, you just need to step outside. It's raining and your makeup will melt.
Oh, good idea. What? It's not raining. It's all sunny outside.
Ooh, I have an idea. I'll do a rain dance.
It's not working and it's still not raining. What am I gonna do to get into the party? I'm so unlucky. Oh no, how is this happening? How did I get this giant pimple? I have a date tonight. What am I gonna do? Ooh, I think this face mask will really help me. Now I just need to wait 15 minutes. Hopefully my pimple will be gone. Hopefully my pimple is gone. What is happening? Oh no, I have even more pimples. Oh no, I think I have to cancel my date. I can't go out like this. I'm so unlucky.
Oh no, what an unlucky day. I have a giant pimple on my forehead. Oh, what am I gonna do? I can't hang out with anyone with this giant thing on my face. Oh, I'm gonna use foundation to cover my pimple. I just need 1 drop of foundation and then use it to cover my pimple. And done! Wow, foundation's so magical! I can't even see my pimple anymore. Well, I'm ready for dating now.
Hi everyone! Did you guys like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell button. Give us a big thumbs up.
And we'll see you in the next video.
Bye!